finally complete with my dream PC build. In all seriousness though, I feel like I am at a place where I'm finally complete with my dream PC. With it being a dream PC I'd been saving for multiple years, so I wanted everything to be perfect. I went with high tier components, as well as I wanted the aesthetic to match something that I'd be happy with for many years to come. As you'll see in this video, I finally put the finishing touches on my all white build. The components are all white, but I did change the light color scheme. Now I'm going with purples and blues, which matches my YouTube aesthetic, and I stopped using the AIDA64 sensor panel on the LCD screen on the case, and instead I'm going with wallpaper engine to tie everything together. Well, here we are, the final version of the white coat PC. Let me know what you think.